like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey y'all, so just like y'all see in the title, this wig is from UNice on Amazon. They are actually on Amazon, you guys, and they sent over their UNice hair Bodywave 5x5 HD lace closure human hair wig in 28 inches. As you guys can see, it is Bodywave. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline and baby hair, and it is 180 density. So since it's a body wave, I'm spraying it with some Pump It Up. That's Pump It Up in another spray bottle. And I'm going to go ahead and crimp the hair since it's already wavy. I felt like crimping it would look really, really good. As you guys can see, I'm holding the crimp iron like scrunched up. That way it holds the crimps into place. But you have to spray the Pump It Up on the strand of hair first. That way it will hold, and this hair is holding really, really good with the waves. It's going to turn out so pretty, so bomb. And this was my first time using my crimp iron. So yes, you guys, so you want to make sure you detangle the section, spray it completely down, and then, you know, brush it through or comb it through. And then you want to keep your crimp iron scrunched up. You don't want to pull it down, because if you pull it down, it's not going to form the crimp. This is very time consuming, you guys. It took me 2 hours to crimp this unit. Very time consuming because you can't rush, because you got to do it section by section. So this is how it's turning out versus on the other side, and it's turning out really, really good, you guys. Now I'm pretty much on my last piece of hair, so I'm just literally doing the same process. I wish they didn't have those shorter pieces in the closure. Y'all see that was sticking up, but with the crimps they didn't bother me. But if you were to wear this hair straight, you're definitely going to have to tame those flyaways. But as y'all can see, I'm not pulling it down, I'm actually scrunching it up. I was showing y'all an example. But yeah, you just go all the way down to the end, and this is what it looks like once I was finished. I already have on my wig cap. I'm just spraying the inside of the lace closure with some lace tinting spray. I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit. I decided not to do baby hairs for this unit, but you can. I just like push them all back. So I'm going to use the Got to Be Glue free spray to adhere it, but it is glueless. Like, you can put this on glueless. You don't have to do the spray at all. I didn't do baby hairs on the unit, but I am going to slick down my real ones because y'all know I have a little hairline and they stick out. I'm going to take some of the slick stick and I'm going to add some of that into my hair just a little bit, not too much, and I'm going to run my fingers through the waves to give them more body. And I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer in my part because you can see my wig cap where it starts at. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal that. I have my part situated to my liking. This is how the hair looks from the back. Super pretty, super flowy. Yes, yes. I'm short, y'all, so it's long on me. And this is just what it looks like from the front. So much body. It has a nice luster on it. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. And yes, you guys, I really, really like this unit. It is so pretty. And I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the vibe. Okay, you guys, as y'all know, this unit is from Amazon, but it is from UNice store on Amazon. They are on Amazon, so that's really dope. So you can get your stuff at Amazon Prime. If you don't have the time to wait for a wig, you can get it Amazon Prime. That is perfect. Super long on me because I am short. As you guys see, I did go ahead and crimp the hair. Now, this was my first time ever crimping hair, and I do feel like I should have started my crimps down here because that's why I feel like it got bulky, like right in here. But really, it's honestly because of my foundation. My hair is a little like bulky underneath, to be honest. Because it's really supposed to look like this. But it's kind of going up because my foundation is not as flat as it probably should be. But also, I do feel like I should have started my crimps down here. It's my mistake. But other than that, this unit is really bomb. It looks so pretty with the crimps. I've had that crimp iron for so long. And I'm just now putting it to use because it's time consuming doing crimps. but I thought that the crimps would look really good with this Bodywave hair. That's why I wanted to go ahead and do it, because Bodywave already has a wave in it, and then you add some crimps, it's going to really give it that wave. I really like this unit, you guys. This hair is so nice. It's so soft. It's so flowy. Like, it's definitely giving that vibe for summer. I really am liking this hair, y'all. It did give off a little bit shedding, minimal shedding, but not bad at all. Very minimal. The hair was easy to go ahead and work with. It didn't give me any problems or any trouble or anything, y'all. So if you want to pick up you a unit from Amazon, and the quality is just as good on Amazon, regular website. Y'all know I've tried their wigs on their regular website, and now I'm trying their Amazon store. I've tried their AliExpress store, their Amazon store. Yes, it's bomb. The quality is bomb. So if you were skeptical, you can definitely order you a wig from Amazon. So make sure you guys check out UNice hair on Amazon. Everything about the unit that I'm rocking will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm rocking will also be linked in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.